Arriving at the cabin this morning. It's probably around minus 20, 25. So today I decided to walk here. I like these snowshoes. They're very nice. Oh, it's cold. Ooh, it's cold this morning. That was good exercise. I decided this morning to walk here with my snowshoes. So I need some exercise. There we go. So as you can see over here, this is the way I'm going to do my coffee. This is very nice. So I'm going to heat up the cabin, put the stove on, then drink your coffee. warm. I'm just going to leave it open, get a little bit warmer. Welcome back to the cabin, everyone. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. It's pretty cold this morning. It's probably around -25. I already told you that already. But it's I got up, heat up the other cabin. It took me almost like an hour over there. It was pretty warm there already. So I decided to walk here this morning and do something I didn't do for a long time. So I really have great news. Well, you guys know that already, that I'm going to build another log cabin to the other land. I'll show you some video later on, because I went there this week. When I went there, it was just -1, so it was pretty good. So it took me like a couple of hours. So a lot of tracks of deers. I'm actually very surprised. I was like, almost every 10 to 20 foot I was walking, there was a trail of deers. I didn't see that coming. I was thinking more moose on that land, anything else. And they're big tracks, so there might be big buck. That's good news. I'm a hunter. I like to hunt moose, deers. It depends. It would have to be a really big deer. So plenty of food with the moose, plenty of meat with the moose anyway. So, and I know there's moose there. When we went there last year, me and Christine, so we went there and we saw a lot of track of moose, and that was a good thing anyway. So what I did, I traveled a lot in front of the small creek or the river, and it was frozen, of course. So I walked a little bit. I'll show you the video later on. So I walked on the line itself. So I'm trying to find where I could build a log cabin. It's going to be a big difference of this one, of course, because you'll see less me buying stuff like the pine and all of that. So I will buy some, but I got somebody that can cut them for me anyway and dry them up. So the plan is to try to get at least more than 8 inch of like big log like this, going to 10 to 12. If I can get a lot of 12, I will get the 12, but getting to 12, that's pretty big. So if I could get a 10, that would be very, very fine. There's plenty over there. So I'll go with spruce again. And the way I'm going to build it is going to be a big difference than this one over here. So it'll take less time to build because they'll be bigger. So I don't know if you tell about 10 inch. So depends how high you're going to go. So the roof itself, the way I'm going to build it's not going to be metal roof. So I got a plan on that, the way I'm going to do it. Show you, I'm not going to tell you right away. I'll tell you once I start building and when I go forward of building the cabin. It's going to be 10 by 20. So that's my size I'm looking at right now. I can't see me doing 12, no, maybe 12, 20. It depends. It depends. Like the floor is going to be framed, the floor itself, but you won't see the floor. You won't see the floor right away because like when you've seen some video building this, it's always raining, making some mess, and it takes so long to build it. And my plan, try to build it in 1 year. If I got enough time, I will build it in 1 year. But it's a lot of work. You got to understand, I might build myself a shelter because if I want to sleep there, because it's a longer drive from here. So I'm trying to save some time just driving there. So I'll stay there for 2 or 3 days. I'm thinking maybe buying like a tent, like a stove tent. And I'm looking at, there's not much right now available that I really, well, there's a lot of them, but they're expensive. So this is what I'm not sure if I'm going to build a shelter or not. Look, everything works well. I'll buy the stove, of course. I'm not going to bring this big stove I have here. But saying this, I'm going to still being here, finishing what I'm not finishing yet. I got a lot of stuff to do here. So you'll see 1 content per week over here and maybe 2 over there per week. So that's my plan for my channel. And there's going to be another channel. It's not going to be mine. That belongs to Christine. So I'm not going to tell you what's the name of it because we actually got it ready. She didn't do some content, so we're getting ready before she's going to start doing her channel. But what I'll do, once it's all ready, I'll talk back again and explain, and I'll show you. I'm going to ask you guys to go on her channel and see what's her plan of doing that one. So that's going to be fun. We're going to be a lot busy, but you have to understand, editing these video takes a long time. So that's what we're trying to do. And I'm trying to get a drone too, because I want to see the whole thing on top of it. So not there yet. We're getting there. So so it's very fun, and I'm very, very excited to build another log cabin. So I got a lot of stuff to do. I'll be really working hard of doing that. So once I finish, I walk about a couple of hours, snowshoes. So and I was tired. I arrived, like, it's a long walk, and I arrive at the truck, and I was really finished. And you know, you guys, I went for a big stent, so I'm not that in great shape. So the way I'm allowed to do it, and I'm trying to get in top shape, because like the last couple of months, I'm going at the gym, trying to build up my heart again, and it's going very well. So I will join the gym. You won't see me there, of course, but I'm like starting that log cabin. I realized when I arrive at the truck that I'm getting older. So I really have to be in top shape, because if I go there one day and lift those big logs and work really hard, that's going to be hard on me. So I won't last a 12-hour day of working. So if I get in shape, I might be able to put 10 hours per day. But I want to go there and have some fun. I don't want to have to rush it, because I'm not working. I got nothing else to do. I got plenty of time. I got to take care of my kids, of course. But it's going to be really, really fun. And I'm pretty happy. I'm right beside the stove, because it's getting warmer in the cabin. It's like I'm not here every day, so I don't have the stove on every day. So when I arrive here, it's a little bit colder. So the water's frozen and all that. But I can come put the stove. So it's going to get a little bit warmer. For the next couple of weeks, it's going to be colder. But after that, it'll get a lot warmer. So it's going to be more fun, actually. So for the outside kitchen, now I need to get the brick, and that's neat. When you put cement, it needs to be warm. So that's why I want, like, I bought plastic. I want to wrap that up and put the stove on and start building it. So finally I got that plan all in my head. So, but I'm changing all the time. So that's why I'm not in a rush of building it, because I want to do something very nice. And I might extend it on the front of it, because when you go in there and you have all that stuff for cooking, you don't want the rain goes on it. So I'll build something for the windows. I'll decide after, because you can buy shade you can put down now, and it's for it is for that, but not there yet. So I gotta do like a patio in front, not a patio, like a deck in front of the water. I can bring my kayak, so you'll see me in the summer going on kayak finally with the kids and the family. It's going to be real fun. So I'll have that on the content. So you guys, this content is only starting. This was just the beginning of what I'm going to do. So on the other land, when I'm building the first log cabin, that's not going to be the only one. My plan is maybe a building in front of the creek and another one far away, but it's like a 50-acre land. It's a lot big. So I got kids. I can build 3 or 4 if I want to. So this is the plan for the family, can go there and have fun. But I will share all the stuff I can share. And like, this is going to take me 3 to 4 years minimum to do. I know I'm getting older. I'm not going to give you my age. That's fine. But that's why I need to be in top shape. Now, I'm going to try to drink my coffee this morning. This content is not going to be long. It's just for explaining what I'm going to do, because it's pretty cold working outside right now. So thanks a lot, you guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you later. I'm going to show you some videos that I did a couple of days ago on the 46 acres of land that I'm going to build about 10 cabins. Just kidding. I'll try to build at least maybe 2. I got a big family, so I'm going to really enjoy this, and I just love it. Right now I'm pretty close at the river, so I'm at the end, probably where I'm going to build it. So I'm not sure yet, so I got to go back to the truck. Like I just told you a while ago, I'm not in great shape, but a couple of hours on the snowshoes, I'm great. So I'm going to get back in shape. Look at this. Oh, there's a lot of deers. You can see the creek. I did that fast. Sorry about that. So now this is a big trail that was here a long time ago. So at least I have that. It's going to be a little bit easier to walk here, because when I start building this, I probably have to bring all the stuff by walking, because the trail is not really done for my side by side, but that will be done very quickly. As you can see over here, you know there's a lot of deer. Look at all those tracks. Unbelievable. I was quite surprised.